Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. Today in this video, we'll tell you guys how can you get the best performance on your Oneplus smartphone in Battlegrounds Mobile India with 90 FPS. You all know I do gaming every day, and when I ask you guys about which video we should make, most of you guys ask me how to increase the performance while playing BGMI. So here is the video, and in a research we could only find two methods using which we did notice improvement in the performance part while playing Battlegrounds Mobile India. We'll talk about those methods in this video, but before starting the video, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, one thing which we noticed after the latest build of Oxygen OS 14, which is January build, we already noticed improvements while gaming in BGMI, but still we noticed little bit of frame drops here and there. So first thing what we did was we checked if heating of the device is really affecting the gaming performance. Left side device had the normal temperature and the right side device temperature was on the higher side, which was around 38 degrees Celsius when we started the gaming. We played few TDMs along with full matches with 90 FPS. The device on which we already started gaming with higher temperature, here in the first TDM itself we started to notice frame drops after the temperature went above 40 degrees Celsius. After 42 or 43 degrees Celsius, gaming experience was getting more worst. So we planned why not do a gaming with phone cooler. So here we used Oneplus official cooler and results were really good. We played both TDM and Shannock, and as said, no heating and no frame drops were seen, though minor frame drops were seen. But with cooler and the combination of gyro, it was a bit difficult to manage gyroscope due to heavy phone cooler. But with no doubt, performance was improved using phone cooler. So it was confirmed that if the phone was not allowed to heat, it delivers good performance. After that, we went to the second method where we tested by disabling the battery operations so that if device heats up, it doesn't restrict the performance of BGMI. But guys, if you don't know what all can happen if you disable battery operations, then do not proceed, because I won't be responsible if anything goes wrong with your phone. Though we are not unlocking the bootloader, we are just using the ADB command to disable the battery operations. So if you are okay, then proceed with the further steps. And these are the things which you need to keep in mind. If you disable the battery operations, if your device heats up, it won't give you any kind of warning. So keep this thing in mind. Too much of rise in the temperature for longer hours can cause the screen burn. Also, you won't have access to the battery sections in the settings page. The only advantage in your phone that it will deliver the best performance even if your device heats up. To proceed, follow these steps. So for this you need a PC and you need an application called ADB App Control. This app link will be given in the description below. After that, what you have to do is you need to enable developer options on your device. You can go to About section on Oneplus smartphones, go to version, tap on the version number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. I have already enabled the developer options. After that, you have to go to advanced settings, search for developer options, and here you need to make sure you have enabled USB debugging. If you are doing for the first time, you might see a pop-up, allow all the necessary permissions, and you are good to go. After that, you need to open up the app called ADB Control. If you have allowed all the necessary permissions, you will see all the applications which are installed on your device. The ADB Control app might ask you to sideload an APK, just allow it and you're good to go. After that, you need to search for the application called Battery. So here you can see this is the application which you need to disable. Click on that. Towards the right hand side, you can see there's an option called Select. In this, select Disable and just tap on Disable. You'll see a pop-up, tap on Yes, and you are done. And don't worry guys, you can anytime enable it back just by going to Disable App section. Here you have the application, just tapping on it, selecting enable, and you have again enabled the battery operations. After doing this process, we played few TDMs, Shannock, full match, and seriously guys, we did not notice any kind of major frame drops. TDMs were super smooth, device maintained FPS between 80 to 90, and 80 also once or twice I noticed, not much of time it went below 85. And it felt like we are doing gaming on iPhones, the latest iPhones. The gaming experience was that good. Even in Shannock, we did not notice major frame drops even while jumping from the aircraft, which we generally used to see on any Android, and not even any issue after landing the hot drop, which was boot camp. So this was confirmed that Oneplus have restricted max performance of the device to avoid overheating, but you guys can follow this method, and if you can control the temperature of the device after disabling the battery operations, then you can do pro gaming on your OnePlus smartphones, because they are capable of that. You guys can use OnePlus Cooler after disabling battery operations to control the thermals. So guys, you can either use OnePlus Cooler to get good performance, or you can use the ADB method along with the phone cooler to get the best performance on your OnePlus smartphone. Try and let us know in the comment section below, did you guys notice any kind of improvements after following this process or not? As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.